Hello, and welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney.
Today we have another fun video for you guys. It's another Magic Candle Company video.
We love doing these like magic candle smelling extravaganza videos where we're gonna take out the candles, smell each of them, kind of give you our thoughts on what they smell like, and then read the actual scent and kind of what it's supposed to be. These are all from Magic Candle Company. We absolutely love the shop. They make theme park scents, different things like scents from Disney World, iconic scents from other theme parks too. They've got some Universal ones, some general vacation ones. We originally found Magic Candle Company after our 2019 trip. We had stayed at Art of Animation and thought the lobby smelled incredible, and we were saying to each other, like, what if there's somewhere we can get that scent? And we came across Magic Candle Company. They actually had a candle fragrance called Animation, and it was themed and smelled like the scent of the lobby, and it was spot on. So it's really just like, you know, if you've got some old Disney memories, these candles will serve as a bit of nostalgia. They can bring you back on your vacation. All those different like smellitizers and things that Disney uses and sprays out through the park, they've got spot on scents for most of them. So we definitely recommend checking out Magic Candle Company. We'll throw their link in the description too. So while you're kind of watching along with this too, if you want to go browse some candles after, definitely do that because we are huge fans of them and their candles.
Now let's get on to browsing our own.
And we always buy the wax melts, so they're not the actual like a wick candle, but you put them in a warmer and they smell so good. And their packaging is awesome.
First, we're gonna start off with Skyway. Skyway is considered the Skyliner.
It's supposed to smell like the Skyliner. So we're just gonna smell it first before we read the descriptions, and then we'll let you know what we think it smells like, and then we'll read the actual description. It's really good. What do you think it smells like?
It smells like oceany.
It smells like, okay,
fresh.
it's like a mix between like an ocean and laundry, but it's
Yeah,
like a very light scent, like very
cotton.
fresh. Yeah, like
Oceany cotton.
ocean cotton, but it's very like light too. It smells delicious. So let's see what the actual scent on here is. Our Skyway fragrance skillfully blends the true essence of fresh, clean air with notes of mandarin mist, cotton blossom, linden flowers, driftwood, and crisp musk. So I guess that is pretty close to what we were saying, just in better words.
For our next one we got Destino. So that's like Coronado Springs Resort.
The brand new Grand Destino Tower, and actually when we were booking this trip, one of our second options that we were gonna try for a new resort was Coronado, and the scent also just sounded amazing, so I knew we had to order it. I don't even know how I would describe that one. It's really good. It almost...
It's like fresh again, but perfumey.
Yeah, like fresh mixed with like a very light men's cologne or something. Like it smells... I don't know exactly how to describe it. I guess let's read the description. So Destino features top notes of effervescent grapefruit, peach, pineapple, cassis, Meyer lemon, and juicy Brazilian orange. Middle notes of rose, jasmine, muguet, yang, and herbaceous thyme. Base notes of sandalwood, sheer amber, and exotic musk. Also, I don't know how to say a lot of those words, so if I pronounce them wrong, I'm sorry. But I can't say I was really getting like...
I smelled like the jasmine and...
Me too. I didn't smell those fruity notes on top that it said as much, like the grapefruit and peach. Yeah, I still get more of like the jasmine clean kind of smell. I mean, it smells delicious, but I don't get tons of the fruit in it, so if you're not into the fruity smells, you'd probably still like Destino.
I guess we'll have to visit the resort and find out if that's what it smells like. Alright, so for the next one we have Tiki Terrace. This is in the Magic Kingdom. It's near Aloha Isle and the Magic Carpet.
It's the Enchanted Tiki Room, so Tiki Terrace is their kind of spin on that, the scent in there. And actually, as bad as it sounds, we know it's like a, you know, a classic attraction, but we've actually never done the Enchanted Tiki Room, so, okay, and we're gonna out ourselves here. We've also never done the Carousel of Progress, so that's like two OGs that we really need to check out. We should probably get on it this trip, and make sure to subscribe to the channel too if you want to see when we hopefully... If
we do it.
Yeah, go to Tiki Terrace or on the Carousel of Progress. Oh, that is delicious. It smells like coconut butter to me.
Yeah, it's like coconut orangey, tropical.
Oh, it's so smooth.
A little bit of like flowery smell. Maybe like there's jasmine or something in it.
Yeah, it kind of smells like a mix between like cocoa butter and coconut with a little bit of like, yeah, floral top notes and a little bit of like almost fruitiness. It's very interesting, so let's check out what it actually is. Tiki Terrace fragrance features the combination of sparkling lemon, toasted coconut, orchid petals, and tiny hints of green leaves blended with white cedar and vanilla musk in far better and more descriptive words. I feel like it's kind of along the lines of what we were smelling there, but this one's amazing. Might be my top one so far, but we'll make sure to judge them all at the end.
Last but not least, we have Key West. So this is based off of the resort Old Key West at Disney World. So I'm assuming it's gonna smell tropical, like a beach or something. Yeah, we've never been there before, so I'm assuming this smells like the lobby or something.
We just always try to find new magic candle scents that we haven't ordered before, and we want to smell all of them eventually and try them all, and this was another one that we hadn't done yet, and when I was reading the descriptions, did think it sounded really good, so hopefully it smells just as good now.
To me it smells like floral, not like beachy at all.
It smells like sunscreen to me.
Wait, let me smell.
Sunscreen and chapstick mixed together.
Yeah, sunscreen and chapstick and a little bit of like flowers.
Which isn't a bad thing.
It's not bad, but I thought it was gonna smell like a beach.
Let's see, okay, now let's see what the scent description is. So, Key West features notes of creamy coconut, passion fruit, guava, pineapple, banana, melon, and grapefruit. Yeah, I think when I ordered it, I was thinking that it sounded really fruity, but I'm honestly just getting most of the creamy coconut. I think it's smelling like that banana boat sunscreen or something, or I don't know, just kind of like a generic sunscreen, honestly.
Yeah, it's not one of my favorites.
Yeah, it's not my favorite from the bunch either, but it's still pretty good. Let's just take a look at the four we looked at too. So we got Destino, Key West,
Skyway, and Tiki Terrace. I'm gonna rate mine. I think I'm gonna have to go number 1 with Skyway, number 2 Destino, number 3 Tiki Terrace, and number 4 Key West.
So I'm also gonna rate mine. Easy choice for me. I'm gonna go from the bottom up. Key West is also my 4th. I don't love sunscreen. I mean, the smell's not bad, but it's not my favorite. I'm gonna quick give these a smell again just to compare the rest of them. Okay, I know my order. So, Key West is still coming in 4th. My 3rd is actually going to be Destino. Then we got number 2 and number 1. Number 2, I'm gonna have to go with Skyway. And number 1, Tiki Terrace is still sitting at number 1 for me. I think this one smells delicious.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like Key West with like almost like the coconutty smell, but it's got a little bit of fruity tropical to it. It's like creamier, almost smells kind of like a cocoa butter, and probably my favorite of the bunch. Honestly, Skyway and Tiki Terrace are like probably like tied almost for me, like 1 and 2, but if I had to pick one, Tiki Terrace number 1. So, and let us know in the comments if you've ever had any of the Magic Candle Company scents, if you've tried any of these scents.
Yeah, and if you haven't, let us know which ones you think that you would like the best.
And we always like to do these magic candle videos because we're typically ordering a lot of them, because when we run out of candles, we need to order more. And there are so many different scents to try. They make new ones all the time. So if you haven't checked out their website, do make sure to check it out too, because they've got a lot of great stuff on there. Not just wax melts, they've also got regular candles, oils, hand sanitizers even. I think they've got bath bombs, car air fresheners. They've got the like wall plugs. Yeah, anything you'd want.
So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Comment what your favorite candle scent was, or any of the Magic Candle Company scents that you've tried before.
And if you want to catch more of these candle videos, and recently we just posted a trip announcement video too, so if you haven't seen that, we'll go ahead and link it above here too, so you can check that out. But with that being said, we will be going back to Disney World soon, so if you're interested in more candle videos, fun Disney merch stuff, and our Disney vlogs from our trip once they come, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you can be notified once we start posting those.
And as always, thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.